Hi guys and girls, today I am going to teach you multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number, and that too in a single line. Okay, let's get started. The first number that we have here is 456 multiplied by 243. My 4 and 2 are in the hundreds column, 5 and 4 are in the tens column, and 6 and 3 are in the ones column. See, how we start this multiplication is, first we will multiply the digits which are in the hundreds column. That is, we will multiply 4 and 2 vertical. This is called vertical multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8. We'll write our answer here. After this, I'll take the digits of the hundreds column as well as the digits of the tens column, and these columns I'll multiply in a cross way. That is cross multiplication, which means 4 I'll multiply with 4, which gives me 16, and 5 I multiply with 2, which gives me 10. So total is 26. In this 26, I write 6 here, and 2 is a carry over on the previous digit. Next, I'll take the digits in the hundreds column, the tens column, and as well as the digits of the ones column. Now, in these three columns, the multiplication will be 4 and 3 will be multiplied in cross, like 4 into 3 gives me 12. Then 6 and 2 will be multiplied in cross, 6 2s are 12, and 5 and 4 will be multiplied vertically, giving me 5 4s are 20. Let me add them up. I get 2 plus 2, 4 here, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. I get 44. In this 44, 4 will be written here, and this carry over 4 will go over 6. I have completed all the three columns. Now what I have to do is that I have to hide my hundreds column and do the multiplication only for the tens column and the ones column, and that multiplication will be done in cross. 5 3s are 15, 6 4s are 24. Let's add them. 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3. I get 39. In this 39, my 9 comes here and 3 goes as a carryover on the previous digit. Since in earlier case I was hiding the hundreds column, now I'll hide the tens column as well as the hundreds column and multiply the digits present in the ones column. 6 into 3 is 18. So 18, 8 comes here and 1 goes as a carryover on the previous digit. So my final answer would be 8, 9 plus 1 10, 0 carried over 1, 3 plus 1 4 and 4 8, 6 plus 4 10, 0 carried over 1 here, 8 plus 2 10 and 1 11. So your final answer is 110808. Isn't it simple? So let's do another question. The next one is 246 multiplied by 324. First, we will take the hundreds column only and multiply them vertically. 3 into 2 gives me 6. I write the answer here. Now, along with the hundreds column, next step is take the tens column also and multiply them in cross. 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4 gives me 16. In 16, 6 will be written here and 1 will go as a carryover on the previous digit. Now further, I'll take the ones digit also along with my hundreds column, tens column. I'll take the ones column also. Now I have 3 digits in the first row and 3 digits in the second row. How I have to multiply? I have to, in this case, I have to multiply in cross as well as vertically. So the corner digits will be multiplied as cross. 2 4s are 8, 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8. What do I get? 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 4, 2 carried over, 2 plus 1 3. I get 34. 4 will be written here and 3 will be carried over on the previous digit. Now I have covered all the 3 columns. What I am supposed to do now? I am supposed to hide the hundreds column and only multiply the digits in the tens column and the ones column, and that too in cross. 4 4s are 16, 6 2s are 12. Let me add them now. 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 1 plus 1 2. I get 28. So 8 is written here and 2 is carried over on the previous digit. So now, since earlier I was hiding only the hundreds column, now I have to hide tens column also. So what remains? Only the ones column. I'll do vertical multiplication in this because there are 2 digits. One is in the first row and the other is in the second row. So I have no choice but to multiply them vertically. 6 4s are 24. In 24, 4 will be written here and 2 will be used as a carryover for the previous digit. And what final answer I get is 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carried over 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 3, 9 and 6 plus 1, 7. So my answer is 79704. Question number 3. The same concept I am using, but before I start this concept, I will give you a small tip how we go about it. See, the pattern that we follow in this multiplication is, first we are multiplying vertically, then we are multiplying in cross, third step is multiplying in cross as well as vertically, and the fourth step is again back to cross of 2 numbers and then again vertical multiplication of 2 numbers. With this pattern, let's see how we do this. The question with this pattern, you are going to do question number 4, which I give you as a practice question, and I'll do this question in front of you. The question which is question number 3, I'll do right now. I explained you this is going to, the first multiplication is going to be up and down, vertical multiplication. That would be of this column. 3 times 2 is 6. Then second multiplication is taking 2 of them in cross. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Add them, 12 plus 8 is 20. In 20, 0 comes here and 2 goes as a carryover on the previous digit. Now next one, this is third step, which says take all the 3 columns, multiply first and third columns diagonally and this diagonally and then this vertically. So 3 6s are 18, 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Let's see, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 8 carried over 1, 1 2 3, 38. So 8 I write here and 3 goes as a carryover here. Next, after this I have put a small cross, that is multiplication of 2 columns only. So here what I am going to do, I am going to hide the hundreds column. So now it's multiplication in cross. 4 6s are 24, 4 2s are 8. Let us add them. 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 carried over 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 32 means 2 here and 3 on the previous digit. Now this is over and the last step is multiply them vertically. Vertically these 6 and 2, 6 2s are 12. In 12, 2 comes here, 1 goes as a carryover. And the answer to this question will be, I am running short of space here, so I am putting my answer here. This is 2, then this is 2 plus 1, 3, then this is 8 plus 3, 11, which is 1, carried over 1, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So my answer is 84132. I hope you are understanding. Let's do question number 5. Fourth, I told you I'm giving this to you as a practice work. Use this pattern and try this question number 4. I'll put the answer for this question in my description box. You can, after doing it, you can check it from there. Let's do question number 5. Again, the pattern is the same. Vertical multiplication, which gives me 6. Then 2 columns together, cross multiplication, 7 2s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. Gives me 3 and 23. 23, 3 comes here, 2 goes as a carryover. Then now take the 3 columns, and in this you have to do cross of the multiplication and vertical multiplication also. 2 times 2 is 4, 5 3s are 15 and 7 3s are 21. Let's add them. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1, 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So you get 40, 0 comes here, 4 goes as a carryover over the previous digit. Now we are done with all the 3 columns. We have to hide our hundreds column. This is now multiplication of tens and ones column in cross. 3 2s are 6, 5 7s are 35. Let's add them. 6 plus 5 is 11 and this 3 plus 1 is 4. 41. 1 comes here, 4 goes on top of 0. Now this part is over, and if you see that we are done with this, we are done up to step number 4, and step number 5 is the vertical multiplication, which is 5 into 2 giving me 10. Tens, 0 will come here and 1 goes here. Let us add them now. What do we get? 0, 2, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 2, 8. So my final answer is 87402. Question number 6. Vertical multiplication. I'm not doing the multiplication. This will be a practice question. Now 6, 7 and 8 are going to be a practice question. But the only thing I can do here for you is I can again repeat the pattern for you. This is, first we have to do vertical multiplication starting from the left. Then cross multiplication of 2 columns. Then cross multiplication as well as vertical multiplication involving all the 3 columns. Then we go back by hiding the hundreds column and doing the cross multiplication of tens and ones column, and then vertical multiplication of the last column, that is the ones column. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I sincerely want that you practice this type of multiplication, this way of multiplication, because when you go to higher classes and when you sit for competitive examinations, if you have practiced this type of methods, it really saves a lot of your time. And also, you make very less calculation mistakes with these kinds of questions, because the carryovers that we are doing in these questions, if you see, they are very, very small, like 1, 4, 2, 4. I didn't see any carryover which was like very big in this. Even in other questions you see it's 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. So you see, carryovers are also small, so it's very easy for you to calculate them. So I sincerely want that you make the best of this method, practice it a lot, so that when you're doing your school ka calculations, when you sit for your maybe Olympiads or something, then this kinds of method will help you a lot. Thank you so much.